Here is your 600-word English YouTube article on 2026 Range Rover Sedan, written smoothly and without any heading. The 2026 Range Rover Sedan marks a historic shift for Land Rover, blending the brand's iconic luxury SUV DNA with the refinement and elegance of a full-size premium sedan. For decades, Range Rover has been synonymous with capability, status, and advanced technology. Now, the company enters a new era by introducing a sedan that promises to redefine luxury mobility, combining British craftsmanship with modern engineering excellence. This new model is designed for buyers who want Range Rover prestige but in a lower, sleeker, and more aerodynamic package. At first glance, the 2026 Range Rover Sedan commands attention with its minimalist yet bold design. The front fascia carries the signature Range Rover look, featuring a wide grille with a refined mesh pattern and sleek matrix LED headlamps that give the car a futuristic character. The long hood, strong shoulder lines, and flowing coupe-style roofline enhance the sedan's premium stance. The flush door handles, clean surfacing, and hidden sensors emphasize modernity and aerodynamics. At the rear, slim LED taillights and a sculpted bumper complete the elegant look, maintaining the subtle sophistication Range Rover is known for. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Range Rover Sedan is a masterclass in luxury craftsmanship. The interior focuses on calmness, comfort, and ultimate convenience. High-quality materials such as semi-aniline leather, open-pore wood, and polished metal accents create an environment that feels both modern and timeless. The centerpiece is a floating curved touchscreen running Land Rover's latest Pivi Pro 3.0 interface, offering seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment. A fully digital instrument cluster, premium Meridian audio, and ambient lighting ensure a first-class experience. Rear passengers will appreciate the executive-class seating package that includes reclining seats, heating, cooling, and massage functions. The extended wheelbase version takes comfort to another level, providing exceptional legroom and a serene environment that isolates road noise. With adjustable air suspension and active noise cancellation, the 2026 Range Rover Sedan delivers a quiet, plush ride that rivals top luxury sedans from Germany and Japan. Under the hood, the sedan offers multiple powertrain options to appeal to a wide range of customers. The standard engine is a refined 3.0-liter mild hybrid inline-six producing smooth, effortless performance. For those seeking more power, Land Rover offers a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 sourced from BMW, tuned to deliver exhilarating acceleration while maintaining luxury refinement. Perhaps the most anticipated option is the plug-in hybrid variant, featuring an electric motor paired with the inline-six engine to achieve impressive electric-only range and significantly reduced emissions. All powertrains are coupled with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission that emphasizes smooth shifts and responsive performance. Safety and technology are key pillars of the 2026 Range Rover Sedan. It comes equipped with a wide suite of driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The sedan also incorporates advanced lidar-based sensors to support semi-autonomous driving, allowing the vehicle to navigate complex traffic situations with enhanced precision. Over-the-air updates ensure the car remains up-to-date with the latest software improvements. Despite being a sedan, the model proudly retains Range Rover's heritage of capability. While it is primarily built for urban and highway luxury, it features an intelligent all-wheel drive system. Adjustable suspension heights, in multiple terrain modes, ensuring confident performance on rough roads or challenging weather conditions. Overall, the 2026 Range Rover Sedan represents a bold step forward for the brand. It merges classic Range Rover strengths, luxury, craftsmanship, and technology, with a new, sophisticated sedan identity. This vehicle is perfect for buyers who desire the elegance of a premium limousine combined with the commanding presence of a Range Rover. With its refined performance, cutting-edge features, and distinctive design, the 2026 Range Rover Sedan is set to become one of the most talked-about luxury sedans of the future.